Greetings to you all and welcome. It's me, Sherille, from Edrienia Extrasensory Elevation, and I'm back again with another video. I hope you are having a blessed day. I am well today, and so is my family. I continue deeply grateful to our Creator for the gift of life, the blessings I continue to receive, and God's providence over my journey. In this special video, I express heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Daniel Raphael and his lovely wife, Sherille, for their thoughtful Christmas and New Year cards. These gestures brought light, inspiration, and encouragement to my life during this season. Their cards reflect the beauty of connection and the hope we all strive to bring into the world. Let me share their Christmas and New Year cards, presented beautifully through videos. After each video, I'll share a brief reflection on the moral message they convey. So, join me on this ride. The Christmas card, as you just saw, with the story of a bird dropping a seed that grew into a tree, beautifully symbolizes the power of small actions to create something extraordinary. It reminds us that even the simplest contributions can nurture growth, provide shelter, and ripple outward to touch countless lives. This message aligns perfectly with the mission of Edrienia Extrasensory Elevation, to plant seeds of growth and transformation, inspiring others to discover and share their inner gifts. As you have seen, the New Year card was equally profound, capturing the spirit of unity and hope. From the image of the planet Earth, showcasing snapshots of countries around the world, to the group of people and children holding hands around a fire and watching seaside fireworks, it speaks to the shared journey of our humanity. In the midst of our life's challenges, there is warmth, togetherness, and the promise of new beginnings. This vision resonates deeply with Edrienia's call to elevate collective consciousness and embrace the bonds that unite us as one global family. I hope these reflections inspire with encouragement and hope, and that you share these messages with your loved ones, friends, and communities. Lastly, I want to show my appreciations by highlighting the inspiring work of Daniel Raphael, whose efforts to change the trajectory of civilization echo the themes of growth, unity, and transformation. His initiatives, such as the Family Learning Centers for Sustainable Nations, showcase how intentional actions can shape a more compassionate and sustainable future for all. Links to Daniel Raphael's work are provided below at the description for this video. Please check it out. It is freely available for anyone who wants to explore more about his life and contributions. Let us celebrate the power of connection, the beauty of small acts, and the hope that together we can create a better world. Subscribe to Edrienia Extrasensory Elevation for more heartfelt reflections and thought-provoking content on spirituality, growth, and visionary ideas for the future. Blessings and light from me, Seni, and see you in my next video.